Hey guys, how's it going? It's Janie over here at JaniesSweets. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm coming at you with a tutorial on how I made this super simple but yet very elegant 4-tiered naked wedding cake. Oh my gosh, that was a mouthful. Anyways, you guys, I absolutely love this trend because for those of you who are a little bit more new to the wedding cake game, or you're just a little bit more intimidated on how to ice the cake smooth or even use fondant on your cake, this is the design for you because all you have to do is just crumb coat the cake and it is ready to decorate. For this particular cake, I used an arrangement of orange, peach, green, and white flowers, as well as some French macarons. So if you want to learn how I made this, keep on watching. Now I do have to say, this video is going to be a little bit different than my talk through videos. It's just going to be showing you guys how I decorated this cake. I posted a picture of it on Instagram and you guys really wanted to see how I did this. So here I am just showing you guys the decor part of it. The cakes are already baked, filled and crumb coated in the refrigerator waiting for me to decorate. But if you need a little bit more help getting up to this step, I do have a separate tutorial that talks about in depth how I get to that step, so definitely check it out. I will link it for you guys in the description box below. So I hope you enjoy this style of editing. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next clip. so this is the final result. I hope you have enjoyed this little sped up decorate with me style kind of video. If you like this style of video, please let me know. Otherwise, I can always go back to my talk through tutorials if that's you know, what you guys prefer. But anyways, if you click on this annotation to your left, you can go to my last video. You can find me on Instagram as well as on Facebook. All of my socials are at JanieSweets. Subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any of my future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you have found it enjoyable, and if you would like to share it with your friends and family, that'd be awesome too. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.